This is Deborah Harris bringing to you a cost of goods sold or cost of sales tip on how to manage your cash flow better. So cost of goods sold or cost of sales are those costs which are associated with your business with the number of sales you make. So they vary up and down with the number of sales you make, and obviously the less you have in the way of costs, the cheaper or more profitable you'll be, providing you're providing a good valued product or service. So our tip of the day is to source less expensive materials. Now by this I don't mean inferior quality materials, I just mean looking for suppliers who will give you discounts or better payment terms and give you the materials for you to use in a way that's cheaper or less expensive than what you might currently be enjoying. Once again, this is much more focused on a product-based business rather than a service-based business. So it's about how do you actually still create a high quality product with a lower price tag for you so that you can sell still at the same price and take advantage of the difference in profit that you'll make. So our cash flow tip of the day is source less expensive materials and make sure that you're really taking advantage of the discounts and so forth that might be out there.